You have a disease. You're one of many with this sickness. We want to cure you.
Here's the solution. We have this terrible tribal warfare that's characteristic of our species, and it's accelerated to a degree that's not sustainable. What do we do about it? And the answer that came to me as a consequence of what I studied was that we try to make ourselves better people. The solution to tribalism is the elevation of the individual, and the West got that right.
My culture is based on freedom and self-determination.
Freedom is irrelevant. Self-determination is irrelevant. You must comply.
Impossible. The challenge, Mr. Offenhouse, is to improve yourself, to enrich yourself. Enjoy it. The uncertainty, self-discovery, the unknown. These are many of the qualities that make life worth living.
The individual is the atom.
Yes.
That begins the entire reaction.
Yes.
And
Yes, Baron.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes. I will do the opposite, and I will do something.
That's why the identity politics makes the individual a simple avatar of the collective.
Right.
I am Locutus of Borg.
And everything that attaches to him is always extrinsic and not essential.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Your life, as it has been, is over. From this time forward, you will service us. I have nothing to say to you, and I will resist you with my last ounce of strength. Your resistance is hopeless.
Comply. Then we can put an end to this. Quickly. Efficiently.